So you know her as host, recording artist, and public figure, but now she masters the kitchen. Media personality Unique Curvy Diva Barrett joins us now, and she's going to tell us how she's using her cooking skills to start a business. Hey, morning, Unique. How are you doing?
Good morning. Hi. I like the intro.
Yes, yes. You know, because a lot of people don't know that, girl, you can't cook.
See, here, not here for my pretty looks alone, don't it?
Yes, 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 yes. So tell me first of all, where did this love for cooking come from?
Oh
How
my
comes
good
you can
years.
cook?
From picnic. Listen, my sister taught me to cook, and yeah, that was it. I just always grew up love cooking. I tried first. I used to burn up things, and then I did it right, and then I just love cooking. I did food and nutrition in school, so yeah, that helped too.
All right. I mean, everybody's pivoting in this time. So tell me, how did it get to here? You've done a pop-up kitchen. It was successful. But when did it occur to you that, listening, this time I'm going to use the thing I love best to start a business?
I think, listen, I normally cook online. So I normally, on IG cooking and all of that. And persons will say to me, Yan, what you cooking? It look good. We want to try some. And I was like, Lord Jesus. So. And then I said to myself, after a couple persons keep saying to me, yes, they want to taste my food and stuff. I said, you know what? Now is the perfect time because I really wanted to open a restaurant from last year. And then I said, you know what? Now is the perfect time to actually just do something different because we can't travel as artists. We can't perform right now. So I said, you know what? Let me just do something different. Now it's the perfect time to just do a pop-up kitchen. Officially, I want to open a restaurant, but we're following the protocols of the government. That's only 15 persons. So right now, it's not the best time to open a restaurant, but best time to do pop-up kitchen, best time to have, persons pick up the food or delivery. So yeah, so persons get to taste the food finally.
Yeah. So how did the pop-up kitchen work? Because I know you've done it already. How did it
Oh,
work? Teach.
yes. All right, so normally it's from my table to yours. So I did it at home first, and then I got like 100, lunches and stuff, and I was like, boy, that's a lot. And then I did it again, and it rushed 200, and I said, boy, but persons just come, I deliver. I have a delivery crew that I work with, and then you have curbside pickup. I did that the last time, and then persons come and they get their food, they take a little picture with me, and that fun vibe. And I said, no, I'm doing it for 2 days because the demand is so much. And as of today, because you can buy your tickets online or you can buy your food online, first in line JA, and trust me, we've gone over 150 lunch. So I'm like, what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen by Friday? We have to cut off. But it's overwhelming and I'm just so happy. So you can come pick up or I can deliver.
No, that's awesome. All right, so on set, we've displayed a couple of dishes done by you. But lady, it's not just regular cooking you do. It's some real gourmet chefry.
No, listen. I have a chef, Kimani Mali.
Oh,
Listen, Kimani Morgan, not Kimani Mali. Sorry, I did a song with Kimani Mali. But Kimani Morgan, one of the top chefs. Like, I mean, normally I work with a chef before, but I have to push and really, this don't taste right. But Kimani Morgan, he's on par. He's the chef that work with me because I can't cook for everybody. So trust me, he did that right there. I said, no man, you have to cook for Daily, you have to cook for Simone, you have to cook for them. So I'm really going to enjoy it.
no, yes, man. Trust me, I'm seeing lobster. I'm seeing, is this barbecue pig's tail, a sip pasta?
Barbecue, that's our best seller too, barbecue pig steak, because it reasonably is only $800, but persons just love it. Them just melt with the pig steak. I'm like, what is going on? Listen, the order for that is really, really good. And Kimani does a good job as myself as well. So yeah.
Yeah, wonderful. I see you have some things on the counter. You're cooking this morning too?
I never plan to cook, but we just never want the counter, just empty. So I was thinking to put on apron, like a hat on my head,
Yes.
gloves, just in case I say I don't want like a pizzazz and stuff. But I'm glad. I want you to taste the food.
That's
I want
fine.
you to make how good it is.
That's fine. So you have another pop-up coming this weekend, so people can check on your Insta. Where can they find like menus?
They can actually purchase the ticket online, first in line JA, or they can call 284-7411, or they can check out my Instagram, Yanni Curvy Diva, or Dining with Curvy. So there is only per option for me to find the food because we do have a cutoff time. Once we reach a limit, we have to cut off. But the demand is so much that I actually have it for October 2nd and 3rd. And listen when I tell you, people from Port Antonio coming in, St. Mary, Montego Bay. And I'm like, you're coming in. She said, just deliver it to Knutsford. I get my food. I go back on the bus. I go back home. I said, just for the food. She's like, no, we have to taste the food. So get your orders in early because I probably have to go cut it off again. But 2 days this time. So hopefully everybody will be satisfied and get a taste of dining with Curvy.
Absolutely. And there's a little bit for everyone on that menu. Tell me about the music. I know no touring right now, but recording music, working on an EP. Tell me what's happening with you.
Yes, I am working on my EP. November 25th is coming out. My mother passed last year. That's her birthday. So, I just feel like that's the right time to really come out. She's always a big supporter, huge supporter of my music, So, yeah, working on my EP, Underestimated. We have couple songs, at least 6 or 7 songs on the EP, and I'm ready to shoot the video. Kind of working out and stuff for that, but I'm ready. We have new songs, new everything.
Wonderful. All singles, or are you collaborating with anyone?
We have a few collabs. I have a few collabs. I'm leaving it for the surprise, but we have a few collabs. I'm trying to do more singles now because I've collabed with Kimani Mali, Egyptian, Cranium, Actin, Gage, couple artists as well. So, I saying to myself, I want to have this single Underestimated to just showcase my talent, my raw talent, and some more singles than collabs, but we have some collabs.
All right, we have our Smile Jamaica taster, who is Clive. So come in, Clive. Yes.
It is.
We're gonna find out. So I'm gonna, because he's masked because I'm not. So I'm gonna move away so he can taste. Anyone you want to taste first? You go with the pasta first?
All right. Mm-hmm.
Very good.
He says very good.
Mm-hmm.
You know, Mike, some of the way you're gone, one. You know, wait, shrimp in it? Shrimp in it?
You try the lobster?
No, he's heading there shortly.
Mm-hmm.
He tried this.
No, we do lobster.
So it tastes good when they can't talk, When you see the food going on, them go so.
I'm used to that. I'm used to the moment. It's like, well, I don't know how the food.
Clive, so just very good. More, you can't give me more than that. It's spicy, it's sweet, it's savory. The pasta is a little spicy.
Very flavorful.
Because it's jerk pasta.
And you can taste
so you can have it mild or you can have it a little spicy.
It's jerk.
Yes.
All right.
Yes,
the lobster.
Lobster tender, well done.
Tender, well done. Yannick, I'm going to tell you what I like about the lobster. I can't actually see it. I can't actually see it.
Yes.
Because sometimes...
Kimani, listen, Kimani Morgan, go on.
Harold, where you there? Look here. Sometimes you order lobster, and when it comes, you and the shell are fighting, because you can't find the lobster in it.
Make it easy for you. We take it out and we cut it up and cook it down.
Yeah.
And we do catering as well, I need to highlight that. So for weddings, birthdays, all of these, anniversaries, all of that. I have my top chef, I have my servers. We're ready to cater to you and, new levels decor as well. So it's going to be an experience, dining with Curvy.
Wonderful, my darling. Congrats to you. I mean, big up everyone who has found their purpose in this COVID time. I mean, enough respect and nothing but success to you. So I'm looking forward to more dining with Curvy Diva.
Yes. And you want to open my restaurant? You're invited.
It's gonna happen, absolutely. Yannick Curvy Diva Barrett, ladies and gentlemen, media personality, recording artist, and now chef, soon to be restaurateur. We sizzle a bit after this quick break. Soon come.